Hello everyone, welcome to assessment number 2 and my name is Navya Gupta. Here we are discussing about types and functions of PMO. What is PMO? PMO refers to Portfolio, Program or Project Management Office and supports portfolio, program and project functions respectively. Organization entity that defines and maintains the process standards related to portfolio, program or project management. The PMO may be the implementer or recipient of OPM governance, since there may be many types of PMOs within an organization that differ in scope, authority, reporting, hierarchy, and responsibilities. In an organizational context, PMO is three types: Portfolio Management Office, Program Management Office, and Project Management Office. As we can see in this figure, Portfolio Management Office is in the strategic alignment, Program Management is in benefits management, and the Project Management is in the delivery management. All together of these three will be help for our project success. Let's deep dive into Portfolio Management Office. Portfolio management is the centralized management of one or more portfolios to achieve strategic objectives. A portfolio management office is a management structure for portfolio management. Portfolio Management Office helps to standardize and govern portfolio by sharing resources, methodologies, tools, and techniques. Thus helps as decision support for portfolio management. Everything is nice and structurally represented in this figure. It is a vision and it is a mission and which comes to your organizational strategy and objectives. This is all we can say it as an organizational resources. Program Management Office. Program management involves the alignment of program components to ensure that program goals are achieved and program benefits are optimally delivered. A program management office is a management structure for program management. Program management office helps to standardize and govern portfolio by sharing resources, methodologies, tools, and techniques as shown in this figure. Project Management Office. A project management office is a group or a department with a business, agency, or enterprise that defines and maintains standards for project management within the organization. As we can see in this figure, a project management office consists of a task of a steering, tool selection, standardization, coaching, operational support, coordination of the project, and the coordination of the resources. The primary goal of a project management office is to achieve benefits from standardizing the following project management process, policies, and methods. Its types vary upon the organization influence. PMO can be classified into three types based on its level of influence and function in the respective organization, which are supportive, controlling, and directive. Supportive PMO. The supportive PMO acts as a consulting department for projects by providing suggestions and resources required by the project team. The project manager or team member needs to approach PMO for getting their inputs. This supportive time PMO has very less influence as it's in a way only serves as a project repository or supplying resources such as templates, best practices, training, information access, and lessons learned from other projects. Hence, we could say a project team can be used as a supportive PMO more flexibly as when required. These types of PMOs can be used for projects with smaller team size and for the brownfield projects which don't need to be followed with strict guidelines, quality, schedule, and cost. Shortly speaking, this type of PMO is best suitable for organizations with functional or weak matrix types of organizational structure. The next type of PMO is controlling type. This PMO has better level of influence than supportive type. We can say the degree of control over a project is moderate for controlling type PMO. In addition to being supporting to the project by supplying the required resources, they conduct audits on the project to ensure the required project management standards are met. The standards would involve adoption of particular project management frameworks models, for example, Project Management Framework (PMI) or Prince framework. Second one, use of a particular templates and tools in the project documentations and implementations. Thirdly, conference of governance frameworks such as organizational policies, government rules and regulations, etc. This type of PMO is also suitable for balanced organizational metrics. Unlike the other two types, directive type PMO has the highest level degree of control on a project. In this type, PMOs control projects directly with full control by directly assigning project managers. The project manager should be reporting to the PMO on a regular basis. This type of PMOs are followed for the projects that are highly critical and need full attention to follow the strict standards. Thus, the directive PMO helps in achieving a high level of consistency across the projects because of the single authority and reporting structure. It is best suited for organizations with strong matrix or projected or of organizational structure.
Finally, to conclude, based on the organizational structure and the project requirements, we will select the required PMO. Thank you.